Hello, thank you for tuning in. My name is Brett Popish. I'm a producing branch manager with Universal Lending Corporation. I want to talk today about renovation lending and renovation mortgages. I'm getting a lot of calls as of late with people wanting to either do some remodel to a property or maybe purchase a property that needs to be fixed up, needs a little TLC. At Universal Lending, we have two different loan options available for folks that want to do some renovations to their property. One of which is going to be an FHA loan called an FHA 203K. The other option, or the other loan, I should say, is a conventional loan through Fannie Mae called the Fannie Mae HomeStyle Renovation. Now, essentially, what these loans allow you to do is roll the cost of home renovations into the mortgage and have one loan so that you can have all your work done. Now, the advantage to this is one loan typically is going to yield a much cheaper payment than you would see if you got a second mortgage at a bank somewhere or a home equity line of credit or home improvement loan. So by having one loan with a low fixed rate mortgage, you essentially save yourself not only per month, but you're going to save yourself quite a bit of interest over the life of the loan. Now, the way these loans work, as I mentioned a minute ago, is all the costs of renovations are going to be added to the loan amount, and then all the work is going to be done after the loan closes. So if you're looking to purchase a property, none of the work is done prior to closing. All the work is done after closing. Same with the refinance, of course. You're not going to be doing any work prior to that loan closing. So what happens is the renovation funds are essentially set aside by us as the lender, and it's released after closing in different stages based upon the work that's going to be done. Now, the type of work you can do to these properties really is quite extensive, to be totally honest with you. We are able to do roofs, windows, gutters, siding, interior remodels such as kitchens, bathrooms, basement finishes, things of that nature. But then you can also do some fairly extensive remodels, such as pop tops, where you pop the top on the property. You can do additions. You can add garages, whether it be attached or detached, that sort of thing. Now, with each loan, there are a few restrictions of things that we're not going to be able to do, such as, or when I say not able to do, I'm talking about we're not able to add it to the loan amount. And this is going to be things like landscaping, water features, hot tubs, things of that nature that are more personal property, as well as home theater systems and that sort of thing. However, we are allowed to add in appliances. So appliances would be refrigerators, washer dryers, dishwashers, stoves, microwaves, range ovens, that sort of thing. So all that can be added to the loan. Now, as I said at the beginning, we have two options. One's an FHA loan and one's a conventional loan. Now, obviously, the qualifications and underwriting guidelines are going to be slightly different from the FHA to the conventional. But typically, if somebody qualifies for an FHA loan or a conventional loan, they still will qualify for one of these renovation loans, assuming the total loan amount does not exceed their qualification. Now, here at Universal Lending, with these particular loans, or with really any loan that we do underwrite these in-house. We have specialized in renovation loans for many, many years. So we've really worked out a lot of the kinks that you might find at other lenders or you might run into at other lenders. Everybody's situation is going to be different, and what you're looking to do to a property is going to be very different than somebody else. So in an effort to save some time, what I would say is if this is something that you're looking to do, if you want to look into a renovation loan or do some remodel, I encourage you to give me a call directly at 303 668 5891. Also, if you know a family or friend that might find this information useful, please pass the video along to them as well. And thank you very much for tuning in, and I'm sure we'll talk soon.